which is just a fancy way of saying, oops, your brain wires got a little mixed up and about 10 to 35% of people have it. Here's how it works. 1. Your eyes versus your nose. The great miscommunication. When bright light hits your eyes, your pupils shrink like they're dodging a pop quiz. This reaction is controlled by the trigeminal nerve, which is kind of like your body's Wi-Fi. It connects your eyes, nose, and mouth. But sometimes the signals cross, and instead of just adjusting your pupils, your brain accidentally tells your nose, "Emergency! Sneeze now!" 1. Genetic lottery. If you sneeze at the sun, blame your ancestors. This trait is genetic, meaning if your parents do it, you probably do too. Some scientists even think it's an evolutionary